Well, guys, we've come to it. We've reached the final mini for it's 626, by the way. We've reached the final mini for Troy's Destroyer mailer. One of my favorites. My favorite mailer, actually. We have 35 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Looks like the top 5 win spots in the main on this one. 35 spots here. And I'm going to paste over here at random to find our winners. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. As the dice slowly roll to a 5. Which means we're in awesome shape to find us some final mini winners. Here we go. Matthew takes round 1. Maria 2. And 3. Matt Shapira again on 4 in what has thus far been a 2-horse race. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, folks. Here it goes. And our winners are Eric, Matthew, Maria, Mather Matthew, and Eric, the other Eric. Erics and Matthews abound in the final round of the Destroyer Final Mini. HQG MCL. There they are, our victors for this battle. I'm done at 628. 8. 628. There we go. 628. It's still there. It's still the same time, which is fantastic. Again, here's the winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.